Hey everyone, welcome to our LangChain tutorial series where we explore how to work with an AI models effectively. If you are interested in AI and want to build powerful applications, you are in the right place. Today we will cover chat models in LangChain, what they are, how they work, and a simple code example that you can follow step by step. Start with what are chat models. Chat models are special type of AI models designed for conversational applications. Unlike traditional models that take a single input and return a single output, chat models process a sequence of messages. This allows them to maintain context and generate more coherent responses. Chat models take structured messages as input, maintain context for more natural conversations, support tool calling, structured output, and multimodality. So now that we understand what chat models are, let's look at the how we can use them in LangChain. All right, let's walk through a simple Python script that's initialize a chat model and interacts with it. Don't worry, if you are new to coding, I will explain each part step by step. Before start coding, I want to tell you that I have created a folder named chat models, and in that chat model, I have created a folder named chat conversation.py. Then I want to activate my virtual environment using Conda, that is Conda activate LangChain env. Here we activated our LangChain env environment. In last video, I have told you how to create Conda environment or how to create virtual environment and install required dependencies in that environment. Now let's start coding. First, we are importing required libraries. These are libraries we are going to import: the system message, human message, and AI message are used to structure conversations. Init chat model helps us initialize the chat model. Then .env is used to load environment variables such as API keys. Then next we are going to load our environment variable. To load our environment variable, just create an object of load.env. This load.env ensures our API keys or any sensitive credentials are securely loaded from .env file. I have created .env file and I have saved my Groq API key in it. I have showed you in our last video, that is how to set up our environment for this project. Now we are going to initialize our chat model. Before initializing our chat model, I want to show you the LangChain document. In LangChain document, go to LangChain. There are so many integrations available. In integrations, go to chat models. Here are so many chat models are available. Here is a list of chat model we will integrate. We are going to use Groq in whole tutorial. So now we are going to initialize the chat model. Here is a line of code to initialize our chat model. This line of code initialize our chat model called llama 3 8 billion parameter from Groq provider. This tells LangChain which model to use for generating responses. Then next we are going to define our conversations using message. This is this is a message. This is the messages we are going to initialize. Then The messages list defines our chat history. The system message sets the role of the AI. In this case, an expert in social media content strategy. The human message is the user's input asking for tip on Instagram content strategy. Now next we are going to generate our response. To generate our response, we are going to use the magic method called invoke. So here is a here is a code to generate our response, and here is our magic method invoke. This line of code will generate our response. We are going to pass our message to our model, and we are going to print this message. That's it. With just few lines of code, we have created an AI powered chat interaction. Let's see the output when we run the script. So to run the script, I have to redirect our part to chat models first. So to redirect cd chat models, then I will run our script. Our chat model generated our response in content section. So to see this response, we are going to call dot content method over response. So dot response dot content dot content. Again, we are going to run our script, and there you have it, a quick AI generated tip for Instagram engagement. Here are the tips. This is a just beginning. In upcoming videos, we will explore how to customize responses and add tool calling and even work with multimodal inputs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more AI and LangChain tutorials.